Plant test. Number 1. Circle the female parts of a flower and put an X over the male parts of a flower. Ovary, stamen, sepal, petal, anther, stigma. Number 2. What might seeds look like that can be dispersed by the wind? Number 3. Seeds can be dispersed by the wind, blank, and blank. Number 4. Seeds must have blank and blank in order to germinate. Number 5. The blank, which is the male part of the flower, makes pollen. Number 6. Name the 5 steps in order of a plant's life cycle. A. Fertilization, pollination, seed production, seed dispersal, germination. B. Fertilization, seed production, seed dispersal, pollination, germination. C. Pollination, fertilization, seed dispersal, germination, seed production. D. Pollination, fertilization, seed production, seed dispersal, germination. Number 7. Explain why seedlings might grow at an angle instead of growing straight up. Number 8. Place the sentences in chronological, or ABC 1, 2, 3 order. Pollen lands on the female organs. Flower number 1 produces pollen. A bee visits the flower and pollen sticks to its legs. Fertilization happens and a fruit begins to grow. Pollen is transferred to flower number 2 by falling off the bee's leg.